We can't help noticing the wave of sports across the world, either returning or planning to return after the COVID break. Golf is back, motor racing is back, horse racing is back, cricket is back, obviously football is back, NBA basketball will be back soon. What is happening with athletics? A sport that for the most part is a non-contact sport, with athletes running in separate lanes and jumping at different times. Very little, if any, personal contact. Theoretically, the risk element should be less compared to football and basketball, etc., where frequent and direct contact is a given. Why then are we not seeing any track and field meets anywhere, either locally or internationally? Why, for example, can't we have a Diamond League meet or even a second-tier World Continental Tour meet without spectators like the other sports? Or even a local all-comers meet up at the stadium so the athletes can see where they are in terms of physical fitness and readiness? I mean, this is probably why so many people have been critical of the athletics bosses, saying them lazy and they are not proactive and they are not marketing the sport properly. Every other sport is getting them house in order after COVID. Walk to the track and field house. Yes. Get to the house in order. Look, get to the house in order.